In the old version of ATrack, we associated preceptors with students by taking the names of the students and dragging them into a box that had the name of the preceptor, and then you would then drag them to another box when the students moved in their rotation or at the end of the semester. Well, in this version, we do it differently. We actually use what are called scheduled courses. And a scheduled course is a course, and we'll show you how to make these actually in another video, managing catalog and scheduled courses, but I'm just going to show you briefly how it looks. So a catalog course are the courses that appear in our catalog. So it'll have our department code, our course, and course title, and then of course we associate these with the course matrix. A scheduled course, though, which is new to ATrack, incorporates a couple more pieces. First off, we have a period of time, and you create the period of time, and you might create section numbers or letters if you need those. And a scheduled course is a combination of a catalog course and a section if you need it, and when it's actually offered. And so here's an example of an exercise science course called Intro 101 to Exercise Science, and it's an active course. It's being offered this fall. This is the professor on record, Rachel Wood, and the students that she's going to be teaching, the days they meet, the times, where they're going to meet, and this is a scheduled course. This happens to be a didactic course, so that's all there is to it. There's no rotations, there's no clinical assignments in this course. This is simply a sit-down course in room 405 3 times a week. And if you want to edit that, you can click there and you can go through and you can actually create this course very easily. So this particular professor or instructor is associated now with these students. Now in the case where I have a clinical course, for instance, here's this Clinical Education 2 course. If I click on this, not only do I have the basic core course, which maybe Roger Willis, who is an instructor, will meet with the students initially. That person, Roger Willis, is the instructor of record who's now associated with those 3 students. But then I can also add clinical assignments, and these clinical assignments would be, for instance, a tennis assignment where Anita is the preceptor teaching that at the tennis courts with these 2 students at this time. And then the second half of the semester, I have a different preceptor, for instance, working with a different student at this time. And I might have a swimming rotation, a couple of those rotations, and I can create as many as I want. So I just wanted to let you know that how we're dealing with the assignment of students to preceptors is using these scheduled courses. And as we create these, we have preceptors and instructors being associated with students, the ones that they're teaching during these rotations. And that is how we make those assignments. So from this video, you need to go to this next video here, which is the Managing Catalog and Scheduled Courses. And this actually shows you how to build both the catalog courses and the scheduled courses.